Okay, now this is strange. Nobody told me about this. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Looks like today we have another new mystery box to check out in this video, and this one is from MSI. Now, how do I know? Well, basically we've got the whole MSI branding everywhere on the packaging, and that is how I know that this is from MSI. But the main question is like, what did the brand actually send me? Because they didn't tell me anything about it. I'm like absolutely clueless and also very curious at the same time to unbox and see what's inside this package. Let's see how many of you people can actually guess what's inside the package looking at the shape of the box. Anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so here's a mystery package we got from MSI. It's a medium sized box and doesn't weigh that heavy also. And as mentioned earlier, it came internationally from Hong Kong, so I'm like very curious to unbox and show you. By looking at the size and shape of the box, I'm assuming there must be some sort of motherboard inside. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe some accessory also, like who knows, we'll have to unbox and see what's inside. Let me just grab my knife and tear this seal and then show you what's inside the package. Here we go. Oh, yeah, we were absolutely right. It is definitely a motherboard, but wait a second. Is this a brand new Z590 model? Oh my god, people, it's a brand new Intel 11th gen mobile from MSI. Holy moly, I was not expecting this in the package. I think we're one of the first in India to actually get our hands on something like this. Pretty awesome, right? This is MSI's brand new MPG series Z590 gaming carbon Wi-Fi MOBO. It's got the all-new Z590 chipset and supports both 10th gen and 11th gen Rocket Lake CPUs as well. Comes in this sort of box packaging, and one of the main highlights about Z590 chipset is it's got native PCI Gen 4 support and super fast connectivity options, which I'll tell you in a moment. You've got the MSI and Gaming Carbon branding everywhere, and at the backside we've got some of its highlights mentioned. Like it's got a robust power design, lightning fast connectivity, and blah blah blah. I don't want to waste any more time here, so let's directly get to the unboxing part. Here we go. And on opening it, we've got a piece of paper at the top to brief you about the board. Keeping that aside, here's our much awaited brand new MOBO from MSI. And what is this? Let's see what's inside. Oh guys, this is just a Wi-Fi antenna. I've told you right, the board has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so it's for that. Now let me just take the MOBO out of the package, and along with that you've got some paperwork. Just make sure to read them. Some SATA and other extension cables, and a pen drive for the drivers. Finally, someone is taking our feedback. Really appreciate MSI for dropping a pen drive instead of a CD for drivers. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the board. Our brand new Z590 Gaming Carbon Wi-Fi from MSI. My god, what a beautiful looking piece of tech. It's got a complete black and grey color scheme with carbon fiber like finish on the heatsink and looks fantastic. Let me just peel these stickers over here. Oh man, just look at that finish. Am I the only one who's crazy about these sort of stuff, or do you people also act the same when you see something new? Let me know in the comment section. And by the way, I've told you right, the new Z590 natively supports PCI Gen 4. Here they are, and comes with MSI signature Shield Frozer heatsinks as well. So what I'll do is I'll give you all a closer look at the product and then talk about the design and the features. MSI's new Gaming Carbon Wi-Fi is a Z590 ATX gaming motherboard that features the same LGA 1200 socket from the last gen. That means the motherboard supports both 10th gen as well as the new 11th gen Rocket Lake CPUs. It features a 16 plus 1 plus 1 aggressive power design with a 75 amp smart power stage to efficiently deliver the power demanded by the CPU. The motherboard has 4 DIMM slots on it, as you can see, and supports a max of up to 128 gigs of memory. If you ask about the storage, the board offers triple M.2 slots with Frozer Shield heatsinks and has 6 SATA ports. I've told you right, this motherboard offers next gen connectivity features, like it's got the all new Wi-Fi 6E support. That means apart from the usual 5 GHz band, it also supports 6 GHz spectrum as well, which offers 4 times more network bandwidth and is quite efficient even in highly dense environments. And yes, along with that, you do have 2.5G Ethernet LAN and Bluetooth 5.2 on board as well. Talking about the audio section is also special. It's powered by Audio Boost 5. They've used high-grade components and DAC to deliver superior quality sound with excellent signal-to-noise ratio. Plus, has a dedicated headphone amplifier to drive audiophile-grade headphones as well. See, the overall build quality of the board is very good. They've used a 6-layer PCB, lots of heavy plated heatsinks are used everywhere to keep the things running cool, good quality thermal pads as well, and love the carbon fiber finishing with fully customizable Mystic RGB lighting on the VRM heatsink as well as the chipset area. Alright people, so that was our unboxing and first look at one of the very first Intel 11th Gen Z590 gaming motherboards from MSI. Crazy thing is I still didn't get the 11th Gen CPUs and we already have the motherboards in the house. But don't worry, I'll be getting the 11th Gen CPUs also very soon, much sooner than you expected. And once we get the CPUs, we'll get started with testing both the CPUs as well as these brand new motherboards one after the other. And we'll also plan some very interesting builds. Thing is, I'm like very excited to see what Intel is actually offering and how do they perform in 2021 compared to AMD. Intel 11th gen CPUs have like a complete different story compared to the previous 10th gen. I actually made a dedicated video on Intel 10th gen, like what's new on these CPUs and also what's new in this Z590 chipset. In case if you haven't watched that, I'll leave a link to that video in the card above. Go watch it there for complete information. So that's it for today, guys. I want to wrap it up. I hope you all enjoyed the video and got to check out this awesome stuff. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.